Hey, so here's another little reporting from the Office of Inspector General of the SSA. It doesn't particularly have to do with SSA fraud, but it does have to do with fraud on Veterans Affairs benefits intended to assist disabled vets to return to employment. So let's see what's going on here. Nothing ticks me off because I love our veterans. Near and dear to my heart, right? So anyone here who's a veteran watching, thank you for your service. Thank you. Okay, so this just came out September 26th. Very, very recent. Let's see what happened here. I know it was in Florida, Middle District. It looks like a federal grand jury found the lovely, I'm going to say the name because she's been found guilty, Melanie Marshall, 38 years old, this lovely lady out of Tampa. She's also known as Melanie Gutermuth. She is found guilty, shame, of theft of government funds. She faces a maximum penalty. I don't think they've sentenced her yet. Of 10 years in federal prison. Let's see what happens. Her scheduled hearing is for December 14th of 2023. So we got a couple months for that one. She had been indicted way back in 18. So I guess it took all this time for the jury trial to take place. And it was, again, a federal jury, not state. Apparently, and this is all according to the Office of Inspector General reporting that I will link below, so you can read it for yourself. But according to this, the evidence at trial revealed that Ms. Marshall stole the Department of Veteran Affairs Vocational Rehabilitation and Employment Program, stole from that program. Apparently, she was eligible for VRE. That's that program, Vocational Rehabilitation and Employment. She was eligible for the VRE program herself. And as you probably heard me say before, it was designed to assist veterans with service-connected disabilities, help them prepare for find and keep employment, suitable employment, they specify. However, she lied to her VA vocational rehabilitation counselor in order to continue receiving benefits beyond that which had been approved. So it says that she apparently there's an individualized written rehabilitation plan that goes on with these. Any of you who have been in this program, maybe you would know. She signed one with the objective of completing a Bachelor of Science degree in public health and health education. She graduated with her BS, no pun intended. If any of you know how I feel about some college educations these days, graduated with her BS in 2015, but she failed to report to her, I guess, her vocational rehabilitation counselor that she had completed the program she was approved for. Yeah, okay. When she graduated, that means that she completed her program. And she then lied multiple occasions regarding her progress towards completion. So it sounds like she completed it, pretended she didn't, so that she could still keep getting monies instead of getting to work and using her degree that apparently maybe someone else paid for, is my guess. Could be wrong on that point. That's just a guess, people. She also provided fake degree audits, wow, to support her repeated lies to the VRC. Okay, yeah, she just did a lot of lying. Due to those misrepresentations, the VA had paid for the classes or for classes and issued monthly subsistence allowance payments, these little stipends, after she had already completed her program because of her lies, and that exceeded $20,000. So the Veteran Readiness and Employment Program They go on to say what it's all about again. So the VA Office of Inspector General obviously is the main Inspector General in this particular crime. So obviously they were involved, but the Social Security Administration, OIG, apparently helped in a joint investigation to make this happen. They don't specify how the SSA was involved. That's what I would like to know, being an SSA person. But they don't specify. Okay. So that's bad news, man. Okay, so she was, I assume she's a veteran herself, so this is a little, sorry, shameful. And she was trying to get this extra education. She got it. They paid her throughout, I guess. And then to keep the payments coming in, she lied. Yeah. Anyway, really bad. That's fraud. I think she should go to prison for, what do you think it should be? If the maximum is 10 years, do you think she should get the 10 years? You think it should be something less? I'm not sure about 10 years, but I don't think it should be 1. And I don't think maybe it should be 2. After that, I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Am I being too soft? Am I being too hard? Curious minds want to know. That'd be me. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.